Hello, what's going on, guys? I am back on the warships. Yeah, I have 5 wins and I am level 4 wood. Yeah, I got a battle and hope so we win because we upgrade that heavies and that's so good upgrade. Yeah, that's not looks good. Oh no. No way. They have so many heavies. What is that level? I hope so. That might don't have pretty big level. Oh no! I don't have any flare and I don't like it. Wow! We need to do that. Oh yeah. Yeah, we win. We're pretty much this is best strategy. Level 2 heavies versus bases. It's really it's not possible lose. Okay, it is possible lose, and is lose. Yes, climb, glide, and then need more climb this. Now I gonna wait a minute. I gonna upgrade this, and I gonna upgrade this. We have 3 of them. This probably should be in there. This should be probably in there. So I'm just I don't know. Maybe huh? Whoa. Yeah, I'm so good in this. No one can stop me. Oh, now warships around. We probably should take out all of them. Because no one can win me. I don't think that's possible. Because that's not possible. 14 levels. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again. You probably think, oh, that's pretty much. Oh, it's really much. Pretty good. Probably next upgrade this, maybe, probably. I don't know. I don't have enough. Pretty low battery. Okay. And I don't like it because yeah, I don't like it. Now we probably Gonna attack. Oh, we need Whiteman. We need more. I don't know. Yeah. Cause why not? Okay. Don't know why I did that. Then yeah. Point there. This is pretty good base design because I have that base design, and that's pretty good. I lose or him lose because he's pretty good. It. I'm gonna take out that. Oh yeah, boy! Oh, take out that cannon. Oh yeah. Then I'm gonna do pretty much that. Yeah, boy. I'm not gonna win. I lose my mind. Cause no, I don't can't even lose. It's not possible in this match. Oh no! He gonna lose, and I don't like it. Ha! Joke. I'm so happy. I'm pretty good. I want to see how him play. Oh. He probably lose all him troops in this. Because that is pretty good cannons. Um. Oh no. Oh no. It's pretty bad. And I don't care. Because that's pretty easy. Oh, he lose all him troops. So big knob. Oh, hi. No, I need this. New victory. Only I have biggest on this world. I'm so good in this. It's so easy. I so much want to this time get wrecked. All these guys. Okay. You're probably gonna do. Ooh. Ah. I want to see how good now I am in this. Okay. I just know. That rocket launcher. I hate that rocket launcher. and I take out this or this. Probably this, and I don't want to. Oh, I kind of want to attack now. Somewhere. Oh, that's not possible to win. What? Okay. Okay. This probably gonna be all for this time. Yeah, that's all. Now we only need to say bye bye. And I want to like this video and subscribe my channel. Okay. Bye bye and see you the next time.